is what I call a beautiful sight. My way home after a long day of work. An amazing view. Couldn't be better than that. It's beautiful. Praise the Lord for that. And I'm happy. Very happy. Okay, here we are with the new dashboard getting together. We're putting together to center the holes for the speedometer, and also we have here the radio, the AC, the lights, and so on. So we're going to start working on that to make sure that everything fits. Praise the Lord for that. And as soon as we're done, we will continue reporting the Yaryis. This is a video of the dashboard that is going to be installed on the RV, and this is a preview of the space and how things are going to be laid out as soon as they're screwed in, and then a cover is made to cover any of the imperfections of the aluminum. So I'm working on it right now as we speak, and as soon as I'm done, I'll get back with the Yaryis report. Okay, we're working on putting it together. We found all the screws. We have a broken ball that we're going to replace, and as soon as we're going to dismantle it, basically put everything back in the boxes and continue on site, check out how does it fit on the RV first, and then continue working on it just so we can make it better. So it's a little rough on the edges, but I'm sure that it's gonna look terrific when we're done.